So is it fog proof? Yeah, it is. You were breathing far and it's not that bad. The filters, the mask, it's tightened. You could tighten it up here. It's be a little tight. All right. Now she's gonna pour in the chemicals. We should be good. All right. It's simple to put the mask on. You guys can see it. Adjust it however you want. The adjustments are easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it, how to put it back on. So right now, if you guys can see, it's loose. All right. Adjustment. Easy. No gaps, no gaps. Mask, face, breathable. Let me turn around. Easy to use. It's not comfortable, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's necessary if you're going to be working with chemicals. Now, to let it go, all you got to do is this one, and this one. So I'm not going to lie to you, it's not that comfortable when it's tied, of course. Nothing is. Some people actually put some mesh over their heads. It's your call, but right now I still haven't moved the tape off of it because you can see it's a little gloomy because the best bit, it doesn't fog up, which is really good. I like that. So, like the mask all around, especially if you're gonna do 3D print on a close environment. If you don't have open ceiling or any open doors or windows, it's good to do some at this. You don't want to bring in the fumes. Also, lasers. If you're using one lasers, or like I said, 3D printing PLA or resin, perfect mask for you guys. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.